Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Fashion Trendseeker. So here we have a long to short transformation. She ends up getting this super cute pixie bob style. All that long hair gone. Next up, we have someone with long waist length hair yet again. And she also ends up getting a bob. This one ends around the shoulders, just a little bit past. Here we have another pixie transformation. Super cute variation here. Love the way that came out. Perfect for the summer season. Here we have someone with beautiful curly hair. And she ends up getting an asymmetrical pixie. This frames her face so perfectly. Very cute style. Here we have someone with mid-length hair. Looks like she also chops it off into a pixie style. Ooh, I see that red. She got a bowl cut pixie cut here. Very cute. I love her hair color. Next up, we have someone with a shoulder length hair, just a little bit past her shoulders. Stylist is doing a bob haircut transformation here. Oh, very cute. Nice, simple, and chic. She got the tousled waves going there. And then we move right into a pixie hair change. Very nice. Moving right along, we're going to have another big chop into a pixie. I like the overall texture that this cut has. Very cute. She's got the flipped under back, kind of a play on the baby mullet here. And we move into the next one. She's going to get some cut and some color here. Ooh, whoa. Wow. Okay, so she went orange. Wow, that is some bold orange hair. It actually really suits her, though. I think that color looks nice on her. It's giving Fifth Element. Here we have someone with mid-length hair. Oh, that is a lot of hair gone. Cute little bob haircut here. Nice, simple, and chic. She's got the center part. Definitely a classic hair change here. All right, you guys, I hope you have enjoyed taking a look at today's haircut ideas. If you did, please be sure to give this one a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.